guys, this is Gio Pinoy. Today we are making Longganisang Lumpia. So what we have in here is the mixture of the sweet Longganisa, and I already put carrots, potato, celery, and I add some onion into it. So I'm gonna wrap it up and let's see how it tastes when it's done. So okay, let's start wrapping up our lumpia, our Lumpiang Longganisa, Longganisa Lumpia. Here you go, guys. Here's the finished Lumpiang Longganisa. We're gonna go ahead and fry them and taste it. We'll be back. Here we go, guys. We are now frying the Lumpiang Longganisa. It is almost done. It's golden brown, so color has to be this so that the meat will get cooked, because the meat inside is not cooked. Okay, the one that we put inside this casing or this lumpia wrapper is not cooked, because it's the leftover Longganisa that I was making. Okay, and we'll be back to taste this Lumpiang Longganisa. Alright. Okay guys, we are now done frying our Longganisang Lumpia. We're about to taste it, so let's see. We'll be back. By the way, I made some fried chicken for the kids, so just in case they don't want to try the Longganisang Lumpia. Okay guys, we're about to try our Longganisang Lumpia. This Longganisang Lumpia is I made a new batch for the Longganisa, and it had so much. So these are the leftovers. I decided to see if I can make it to a lumpia. So I decided to add in potato, carrots, celery, and onion. They all chopped up. So, ew, you can see the smoke still hot. See that? That's how it looks like. Okay, so let's try it. It's really hot. Oh, hot. It's not bad. Tastes like Longganisa, but you can taste the potato, carrots, and celery in there. It's kind of like a Shanghai lumpia, but it's Longganisa, sweet Longganisa flavor. That's how it is. So that's how it looks like inside. Ooh, hot. It's good. You don't need vinegar anymore because you have that vinegar inside that Longganisa. So, but if you guys want more vinegar, you can, but you can taste the vinegar in this one already. So it's like all in one. Everything is in here with your garlic, onion, the vinegar. But if you want it spicy, you can use sriracha or the sweet chili sauce. So I like it. Not so bad. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha, mahalo, salamat po. God bless.